There is a fruit sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. You've probably eaten it for years, maybe even this morning, thinking you were doing something good for your heart. But if you are a man over 60, that innocent piece of fruit might be quietly lowering your testosterone, clogging your blood vessels, and stealing your vitality one bite at a time. It sounds dramatic, I know. I thought so too, until I started seeing the lab results of my own patients. I'm Dr. Jocelyn. For the last 5 years, I've dedicated my practice to helping men over 60 restore their energy, blood flow, and confidence naturally. I don't believe in over-medicating. I believe in understanding the body's chemistry. And here is what I've discovered. Not all fruits are created equal. Some healthy fruits actually raise estrogen, spike insulin, and reduce nitric oxide, the very molecule your body depends on for firm, lasting erections and steady energy. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 fruits you should avoid if you want to keep your manhood intact, and 4 fruits you absolutely must eat instead to feel strong, alert, and alive again. Stick with me, because the #1 fruit on the must-eat list is a game changer for blood flow that most men completely ignore. Before we get into the list, tell me, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments below. I love seeing our community of strong, wise men tuning in from around the world. And if you're ready to take charge of your health, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a tip. Now, let's look at the fruit bowl. Most men think it's fruit, it's natural, it must be good for me. Here is the truth. As you age, your metabolism changes, your insulin sensitivity drops. When you eat high-sugar fruits, your insulin spikes. And biologically, when insulin screams, testosterone whispers. High insulin levels can directly suppress your male hormones and increase inflammation in your arteries. So let's clear out the villains from your pantry, starting with the one that tricks almost everyone. Fruit to avoid. #1, grapes, the estrogen trap. They look innocent, don't they? Small, juicy, easy to snack on. But for older men, grapes, especially non-organic ones, can be a hidden trap for your hormones. The biological reason. Grapes are one of the most heavily sprayed crops in modern agriculture. The pesticide residues on their skins are known as xenoestrogens, man-made chemicals that mimic estrogen in the male body. The practical impact. When that fake estrogen enters your system, it competes with your natural testosterone. You might notice less energy in the morning, more stubborn belly fat, and weaker responsiveness in the bedroom. One patient, Alan, 67, was eating a big bowl of grapes every night while watching TV. His testosterone was suppressed. We cut the grapes, and within 3 weeks, his energy rebounded. If you love grapes, buy organic only, eat them in moderation, and avoid grape juice. It's essentially a sugar bomb that spikes insulin instantly. Fruit to avoid #2, canned fruit cocktails, the sugar spike. Many seniors eat these for breakfast. They are soft, colorful, and convenient. The biological reason. Most of these cups are soaked in high fructose corn syrup. This sugar bypasses normal digestion and goes straight to the liver, contributing to fatty liver disease and insulin resistance. Even no sugar added versions are often stripped of fiber and natural enzymes. The practical impact. When you spike your blood sugar this high, you inflame the lining of your arteries. Inflamed arteries cannot produce nitric oxide. Without nitric oxide, blood flow down there becomes weak and unreliable. Patient Raymond, 72, complained of brain fog and zero drive. We swapped his morning fruit cup for fresh berries, and his mental clarity returned in days. Always choose fresh or frozen, never canned. Fruit to avoid. #3, bananas, the energy drain. Bananas are packed with potassium, right? For a 20-year-old athlete, a banana is great fuel. For a 65-year-old man with a slowing metabolism, a ripe banana is a rapid-release carbohydrate bomb. It spikes insulin, which crashes testosterone. Bananas also contain tryptophan, which boosts serotonin. Too much serotonin during the day can make you feel flat, sleepy, and unmotivated. If you love bananas, eat them greenish, less sugar, and only before a workout. Never right before bed or when you need to be alert. Fruit to avoid, #4, dried fruit, the concentrated enemy. Raisins, dates, dried apricots, they seem healthy, but think of dried fruit as candy with a vitamin pill inside. With the water removed, the sugar is highly concentrated. A cup of raisins has more sugar than a can of soda. Many commercial dried fruits are treated with sulfites, which can block zinc absorption. Zinc is crucial for testosterone production and sperm health. Avoid commercial dried fruit. Snack on a handful of nuts instead. Now that we've cleared the bad stuff, let's focus on the good. These fruits heal your arteries, protect your prostate, and reignite vitality. Fruit to eat. Number 1, pomegranate, the king of flow. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants called punicle-agens. These help protect nitric oxide from being destroyed, keeping your blood vessels open. The result: better circulation everywhere from your heart to your brain, and yes, to your manhood. One patient, George, 68, added pomegranate seeds to his yogurt daily. A month later, he said, "Doc, I feel like the plumbing is working again." Drink 100% pure pomegranate juice, 2 to 4 ounces, or eat fresh seeds. Fruit to eat number 2, kiwi, the protector. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, protecting the Leydig cells in your testes, the testosterone factories. It also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. The result: lower cortisol allows testosterone to rise. You sleep better, feel less anxious, and recover faster. Eat 2 kiwis a day. If you can handle the texture, wash the skin and eat it. It triples the fiber. Fruit to eat number 3, watermelon, nature's boost. Watermelon is the highest natural source of L-citrulline, converted in the body into arginine, which boosts nitric oxide. This relaxes blood vessels and improves flow. The result: stronger morning erections and better stamina. Don't throw away the white rind, it has the highest citrulline concentration. Blend with red flesh and lemon for a potent vitality drink. Fruit to eat number 4, blueberries, the brain and body shield. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation in blood vessels and improve insulin sensitivity. The result: sharper memory, better focus, and a protected vascular system. A half cup a day, fresh or frozen. I know dietary changes can feel overwhelming, especially after decades of habits. You may feel your body is betraying you, like your best days are behind you. But your body is resilient. It's forgiving. It hasn't forgotten how to be strong, it just needs the right signals. I've seen men who thought they were done come back stronger, clearer, and more confident simply by swapping what they put in their shopping cart. You are not broken. You just need better fuel. Here's your plan for the week. Leave the grapes and bananas on the shelf. Pick up a pomegranate and some blueberries. Try it for 2 weeks. Listen to your body. Notice your energy. Notice how you wake up in the morning. Small changes, done consistently, create massive results. If this helped you, like this video so other men can find it. Let me know in the comments, which of the good fruits are you going to buy today? And don't forget to subscribe. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, helping you live your strongest, healthiest life. Age isn't the end of vitality, it's the beginning of wisdom. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.